What's going on, guys? Zeekman here. I am in New York City, Manhattan. It is Saturday, April 30th at about 3 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a beautiful day. It's just about 70 degrees out, and people are out in Madison Square Park. We're going to take a little walk through and see what's going on here in New York City. We'll go this way. So this is right in Midtown Manhattan at about 23rd Street. If you guys want to come down and check it out. Obviously a family-friendly park. There's all these little streets or alleys or walkways that go into the center here. So David Glasgow Farragut.
If you didn't affect negatively, yes, but sometimes you want your leaders to be.
This is a dog park, obviously, over here to the left, but I'm sure a lot of New Yorkers use this to socialize also, get out, meet other dog owners in the city. It's very crowded, and there's a lot of people, a lot of dogs. But everyone's happy. Oh. Beautiful. So here's the map. Shows you all around. There's one thing that's special about this park, and we'll get to it sooner or later.
No. Like some type of
So this is one area that is open for people to hang out, picnic. I know they try to rotate the lawns so they all don't get worn out. See, everyone's just kind of hanging and. Of course, there's entertainment. Park is very clean. Keep up with it. But this is like the first very nice day we've had in a long time. So it's great to see everyone out here hanging out. No electricity needed with this band. Got the nice sax, some drums, and cello bass, stand-up bass. I think if it was a cello, it would have a, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Probably tonight it's going to be a big explosion.
Pretty cool. So just continue walking. This lawn will be open probably in the next few weeks. Looks like they're growing grass. And then they're opening, obviously, Jemmy's Dog Run, another dog area. Pretty cool. People of New York really appreciate the fact that there's places to bring their dogs. This is cool over here, a good place to sit, hang out. And over here is the original Shake Shack. That's Shake Shack number 1. Stay tuned for a video near you. But everyone can come out and sit in the sun, hang out, eat their Shake Shack, drink coffee, whatever. Eat ice cream. The weather's just getting warm, so all the fountains aren't turned on yet. So, but this is a reflection fountain. Some nice tulips. Signs of spring.
The best photos come when you're standing with your back to the sun.
Oh, yeah.
Just a piece of information.
Yeah, I'm not too picky right now.
Should be. Where are you from?
Connecticut.
You should be. This is a gorgeous park.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And you can position yourself and get the Empire State in the back.
Oh,
if you want.
pictures. Yeah, absolutely.
What are you
This
doing?
is video. But yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, same thing.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, thank you. I'm not too picky. Well, you should be. She is right though. I do notice that in some of my videos I'm not placed in the right spots sometimes. Something to work on. Where are you from? Everyone's just hanging. And she is right. I mean, look at this. Thumbnail opportunity. Beautiful, beautiful Madison Square Park. Thanks for watching this Madison Square Park walkthrough video here on the last day of April 2022. Like, share, and subscribe to Zeekman Travels and Zeekman, and I will see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching.